I don't know, man. Is that Sonos amplifier that I just installed gonna stay hidden behind that 4K TV as soon as we hang it over the fireplace? Let's see. What up? It's Vitela, home tech expert, back in your Belinda, California, using some custom products made by Sonos. Shout out to Sonos for making some great pro installer centric products. In this family room, I'm putting in a 77-inch Sony OLED 4K TV with the Sonos Arc soundbar speaker underneath it with voice control, and a Sonos subwoofer matched together with a Sonos amplifier hidden behind the TV, and these DaVinci audio made by TDG Group ceiling speaker with an angled Kevlar woofer and an angled titanium tweeter. This thing is just made with quality craftsmanship, and it sounds absolutely amazing. Let's see what it looks like installed. When you look at that ceiling speaker, notice that angling right there. So it's angled and pointed, aiming right at the couch. So they're gonna get that great rear surround effect with it. And you can see here what it looks like with the designer trimless grills. Absolutely clean. I love the professional clean look to it. And here you could see the powerful Sonos subwoofer in a white color. It comes in white and black, but I chose white obviously to blend in with everything. And of course, I set it up with a Sonos Arc Dolby Atmos soundbar speaker that has 11 speakers, including 2 that fire up into the ceiling and bounce back down. And it also has voice control to be working with Apple Music or Spotify. And of course, I set it up with an Apple TV 4K for the best streaming experience for their YouTube TV and Netflix. Wow, that looks absolutely clean and simple to use. If you want to get something done like this professionally in your home, go to my website, hometechexpert.com, and click on Schedule a Free Estimate.